So this is a 1972 F250 Ford 302 V8. I couldn't find any videos on the thermostat just to give you an idea of what I was going to be dealing with. So just to give you an idea, this is a 1/2 inch, and you're going to need a flathead to get most of this stuff off. And to make it easier, it's easier just to pull off the distributor to get into it because of this bottom bolt down here. As you can see, my thermostat is in bad shape. It's put its time in. Make sure you get a gasket and take pictures of the orientation of how this is sitting, and then compare your new thermostat with your old one. So once you've cleaned the surface around it, go ahead and put the gasket in place, and then put your new thermostat in the correct position. Then I'll go ahead and start putting it back together.